Welcome back. Hey, today we are on 18th of August on a Thursday at 10:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So if you guys are watching in from Singapore or Asia, that will be 19th of August at 10:30 a.m. Singapore time. So welcome back. So I'm really excited today to be here, and I want to make sure I pay my greetings to those who tune in. And let me check this out. Right, here we go. Okay, welcome everybody. Who is in the house right now? Let's take a look. Okay, I if you are tuning in, you can chat with me on YouTube as well as do a chat with me on Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, and so on. Right. So let me just log in. I just came back from a dinner with my classmates and rushing back to come and do this live stream with you guys so that
Imagine what would happen if every
so that I can be on time. All right. So uh, the first question that came out was from Christopher, and Christopher is asking me how's. Let me read out the question. Hope your studies are going well. Oh, I can tell you it's pretty intense. Pretty intense tense because there's so many readings to catch up on and not enough sleep. Plus, I do the YouTube live stream, plus catching up with all my new classmates. And I think I'm warming up. So far, I think I managed to catch up on my reading of the case studies. Really great case studies that we've gone through. Um, Most importantly, it's really mind-boggling that I've been surrounded by the top-notch entrepreneurs on planet Earth. These are really first-class entrepreneurs. So really, really, really humble and really, really happy to be here together with all of them, and of course to share with all of you who are watching in. Okay, so let me pay my greetings to everyone who just posted on the. Sorry, I'm just trying to do my orientation here. Still a bit confused. Okay, where am I? Okay, I got to do my orientation from here. Okay, I found it. Okay, let's start from here. Okay. Hello, Christopher. Hello, Jamie, Hiram, and I am on a Thursday, correct, Hiram? The rest are on Friday. Jacqueline, very, very happy that you can join again. Jacqueline, Jeffrey, Wilson Wang. We also have Kelvin Wong, Yan Tan, and of course, I quite a number of others have were not chatted in the chat. I'm not too sure who is watching, tuning in live right now. All right, so today, we were watching the market on the meme stock and kind of in the middle of my class, and I say, wow, this is going like crazy, crazy. With the RC Ventures dumping the stock price right now has crashed really, really hard. All right, and we are still live in the position. I'm not out of the position yet. So what I want to do is quickly move over and we take a look at how do we handle a meme stock like this. And I think they were all taken advantage of by RC Ventures. All right, so this is painful to watch, and of course depends on which side you are. If there's an article that was published that somebody just made like $100 million or something like this. But I can tell you there are many, many others for the meme traders. They are suffering like crazy. All right. So it is not an easy play. And that's the reason why timing plays a very, very important part of the decision making. I think this stock has been completely manipulated. I'm calling out to Securities Exchange Commission to do a full-scale investigation of manipulation of stock price. It cannot be you put in your people into the board of directors and then you dump the stock. This cannot happen. This is total manipulation in its worst form. So no matter what reasons that they give, whether the lenses to look at this matter is It's really negative. I think many people is going to take a major suffering right now, right? So let's take a look from the stock chart level, and then you understand why I'm so strong about the choice of words I'm using right now, right? It's complete manipulation, and I think unfortunately the retail investors, they are the suckers of this game, all right? This is a nasty, nasty game, all right? So here we go. Let me put this out. Okay, trying to find my orientation again. Hold on a second, all right? I think I found it. It should be using this and ding, and we go back to here and ding. Okay, here we go. This should work. Yep. And I kind of my name is blocking it, right? So let me get rid of the name and let me move to the right. I don't know, is this effect better? No. Or let me try to do it like this, okay? Okay, I'm going to shift to the left so that on the center you can see what is happening. And so the stock price went from a $5 per share and shoot up to $30 per share. That's like 6 times, all right? So this 6 times is like really crazy. And I think unfortunately it's been completely manipulated, all right? So here we go. We're going to mark this out. This is pointing to $5. All right, this is my first arrow. And we're going to move this arrow up. And this is pointing to $30. All right. So we have this range. Yesterday, there was the first move news that came out. They dumped the stock. Today, the second piece of news, they 100% dump everything. So it's a complete dump. And if you look at the top left-hand corner right here, all right, so right over here, the post market has already dropped to $10. All right. So if you follow with me, this is like from $30 to $10. How could this be? You know, this is 100% manipulated. And I feel sorry for those who bought at a high. If you are buying like $15 per share, $20 per share, $25 per share, you are killed right now, instantly killed. This guy drop is going to, for the next 1 week, you just drop and drop and drop until SEC probably have to step in and do a trading halt and perhaps start some kind of investigation of stock price manipulation. I think they should really step in right now and do a trading halt. All right. So if it's going to open tomorrow at $10, less than $10 per share, I think there's more room for this guy to drop, and that's the reason why we have a put position on a strike price of 3. We expect it to grow to $1 or possibly to 0, right? So this is really bad. Unless, of course, while it's hovering around this space here between 5 to 10, is there any possibility that a white knight will step in? No, because this white knight will say this has really been manipulated by RC Ventures. They made their money. We're not going to come in here right now and clean up the shit for them. All right. So I think it will all the way drop perhaps to $1 to $3 range, and that is our price target. So what can we learn from this triple BY? Wow. The moment you are kind of short of cash, your cash flow is down, everybody is kind of going to short you to death because they know you got no more war chest to fight the game, right? Regardless, they have the support of the mean traders. Everyone is for themselves right now, and these mean traders learn through the previous time when it spiked up and then spiked down. They went through the painful lessons. They are right now all profit taking. That's why the fall is so fast, all right? They are quickly profit taking, clean up whatever they can clean up, salvage whatever they can salvage, and that's it. Sayonara. Tomorrow will be all hell break loose, all right? So pre-market, post-market is really dropping negative 44.64%. Then you drop during the live trading day, a further drop. Okay, so uh, Fortunately, for those of you who are part of our Don't Stop Believing uh, trades notification, we are in a nice position right now with the puts. Okay, so hang on tight. Don't have to panic. Ride out this race together with us. So this is the first game I want to share with you all, and kind of quickly give each of us a quick update. And I also want to show you on the data side of things, we must make sure we cross-reference check, is the data reflecting this phenomena. All right, so let me just pull this out. And I know there's some feedback yesterday about, some parts of the video kind of a blank out because down here I got a Cat5 cable connection and another one is on the wireless. The one that is on the wireless is giving us problem. All right, so just bear with it. So right now on I'm on the software side of things, is already showing up. They have dumped 100% of the shares, right? So this is pretty serious. Okay, another one I need to show you is this. All right, so this is the article. It kind of precedes everything else, and here we go. Activist investor Ryan Cohen completes planned sale of Bed Bath and Beyond stake. Stock falls 44%, updated 48 minutes ago. They have also sold off their call options. They are not going to exercise their call options to own the stocks. Gone. And their average purchase price is roughly $15, right? So you see this $15. If their average price is $15, and we were just looking at the big drop, right? So of course, um, the moment it dropped, they protect their average price of $15. It will go on a free fall. So what do I mean by that? Is right over here. So that $15 average price, this is what we track all the time. And I'm going to put an arrow right there and give you a flavor of it. All right. So $15 is their average price. And what is today's post market price? $10. It's already fallen below its average price, means they have triggered the selling all the way from the high, drop, sell at 30, 27, 25, 22.5, 20, 17.5. They are all out before hitting their break even of 15. Very, very smart guys, totally manipulating the market. And we got a call for investigation on this. All right. So this is really unwarranted. Ordinary people will be suffering the pain right now. That is the square box I'm drawing to let you see they have pumped up the price so that they are selling at a profit. What's their profit? 100%. 15 to 30 is 100% pure profit return. Okay. Whoa, painful to watch. And even though we are in a profit position, I don't like to see retail traders suffering the loss. All right. So horrible to watch this scene. But we got to complete this article and then we have a real picture. Okay. So let's check this out. The following show is done in stock at a range of right over here. He is selling at a profit. Okay. Right over here. Between 1868 to 29.22, which is about 100% profit. All right. So if his position average price was 15, that's it. He's making 100% profit by manipulating the stock price. And you go on down, and he's also the chairman of GameStop, which is another meme stock, and he's just manipulating all the meme traders. They got to call out. Don't let this happen all the time. This is absolutely wrong and disgusting. All right. So the rest of it, you guys can read it. But that's all I want to comment. All right. It's painful to watch this because I know there are many people out there suffering the losses. Whew. Let me switch over right now to a more positive note, and I want to bring up my chat. Better change the momentum right here, okay? Um, someone came in to kind of spam our, what channel is this? Someone is spamming our channel right now. Oh my gosh, who is this guy? block user on YouTube. All right. So yeah. Wow. They are spamming our YouTube right now. Somebody just come and spam our YouTube. Okay, let me go and check how the heck this guy managed to pass through. All right. So I need some help to block these jokers out. All right. Okay. So remove report. Um, there's someone spamming us right now. Hang on, just report and get rid of them and remove. Remove. Put user in timeout. Put user in timeout and remove. Wow, so many messages from this spammer. Um, how to delete? Remove. Okay, I think I deleted already, right? So there's someone promoting a spam website. Okay, all this is really taking up a lot of my time. Not productive at all. Okay, so let's turn on the chat right now and let me get rid of it from my side here. And how do I delete this guy, right? Add to block list. Okay. Okay, good. I managed to block the guy and here we go. How's your day? I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna eat for you know for tonight. And everybody just bring out your snacks, all right? Let me play some music right now. How's your day? And I want to show you this is my snack for tonight. M&M M&M's milk chocolate. Please share me what you guys are having for your snack. And well, I'm so hungry right now. Let me just take some first. Mmm. You can eat it like one bunch of it, not just one by one, but one bunch of it. Oh, I need my energy back. And what are you guys having? So I see Hiram posting sugar. Yes, I need sugar right now. And Hua Chen, um, who is Asia Ling Hua? Asia Ling is who's that? Not too sure who's that. Jamie heading for lunch soon. Okay, and Daniel, one knee is lemon kombucha. Wow, so healthy, man. And Jeffrey, wonderful. Okay, very very good. Now tonight, I'm gonna review one of the trades we played previously, and just to recap, all right, this is important trade. Um, Again, right now the thesis I'm working on is very much activist driven. Um, we need the activists to come in, but not like the case of BBBY, where I think is complete stock market manipulation by RC Ventures. Okay, which is very very bad. The 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 look of it is really toxic. Okay, so let's put that aside. Most of the insiders, I think they are good, and I want to highlight again. I spoke about this company previously, but not too sure how many of you actually filled on the stock. All right, so let me just get some water first. Let's take a look at this article, recap, and then I give you the heads up how we're going to play this guy, right? So here we go. So, oh yeah, you guys are on Friday already, yeah, Kelvin. Mantou with black coffee, wow, so good life. And I got colored tongue right now. Is it really? Yeah. Um, so I'm gonna switch off this chat right now. Thanks for participating, and we're gonna come back right here and take a look at this article. Pinterest share jump after Elliott confirms it's the company's largest investor, right? So I have an interest in Pinterest because We are looking at a particular price range, and I'm going to show you the understanding of this price range from the moment that they declared Elliott took part in it. Okay, so I'm going to scroll down right here, and this article was dated on the 2nd of August. So time really flies right now. I mean, we are today already on what day is today? Ooh, on the 18th of August, all right? So about 2 weeks gone. And the 2 weeks gone, typically it will present to us certain opportunities in the market, all right? So what I really interested about this article is that once you take this as the first article to start your research, okay? And then you start searching on Pinterest. So Pinterest right now is being aligned with like Meta, with TikTok, with Instagram, and they're all looking at how all these social media companies is going to ramp up. And the ramp up will take place, of course. That's the reason why activist investors are very, very interested in them, right? So from this date, 2nd of August, we're going to reverse engineer, connect the dot, and we're going to bring out the charts right now. Here we go, 2nd of August. Let's bring out right over here, PINS. And here we go. Okay. So this is Pinterest for you. Don't be shocked by this declining chart. I mean, this is they took a big hit, and of course, right the moment on the 2nd of August, which is around this candle right here. So let me just zoom in a little bit. That was the day when it was announced, the activists took part in it. Right over here, this particular candle, right? One more time. Right over here, this particular candle. There was a mini spike up, and then we were wondering, will they close the spike or not? Okay, so if they were to close the spike, it will look something like this. So I want to focus on this big square right here. Then obviously it will start moving down from here, touch probably 18 or below. Okay, so this is the time you think about it. The activist investor, what is his average price? His average price is found right here. Pretty easy to reverse engineer this trade, right? Which is around $20 to $18. He will probably purchase around this range. Right now, we are dropped to about 22.46, and even if you are buying anything lower than that, you are buying alongside with the activist investor, and that's Elliott, all right? So I see this as a chance for us to position our entry. So I'm going to click right now to the 5-day chart, and you see for yourself on the 5-day chart, it has never breached what number? Holy moly, this is the most important number. It has never breached the $22 range. Exactly 22. Boom. Okay. So if you're getting like $22, that is ideal. Now, even if it falls further to 20 or 19 or 18, you can just quickly do an average down, because the activist investor is not going to sit there and wait for this guy to organically grow the stock price. Not possible. Okay. They will do something about it. I mean, the worst example is RC Ventures manipulated everybody, pushed the price up 100% in less than 1 month, and then dumped the stock. That is really bad. All right. I don't think this will happen for Elliott. Okay. So that being said, I give you clarity on that. But what's the price you should buy? Wow, that's a big topic. What is the real price you should really aim at? And for that, typically I only share that with those who are on the Don't Stop Believing trade notification. Okay. But I think I've given you enough clues, enough materials to work on already. So with that, I come back over here and we say that, okay, every day there's something that's driving the market. And un- uh, unfortunately or fortunately for the current moment, you know, I always look at the three indices. Are we really super up, or what's happening right now? What is the key event that everybody is waiting for? Number one, we are waiting for inflation data that's coming out next month before the FOMC meeting again, 23rd of September. That's quite some time away. Even though right now it's sitting at 8.5%, anything could kind of a turn around and shock everybody again. All right. So just be very, very careful, be very, very thoughtful about this key event that's happening. So of course, my job every night, right now I'm following exactly US time. After the class, I quickly come back, look at the market, and then look through. I'm not rushing, really very relaxed every day, just firing off one trade. And there's one trade. I think there are two trades I'll be firing off tonight. All right, so let me log into my IB account right now and take a look. Here we go. So we taken a look at Pinterest already. So where's my pen? Hang on a moment. I gotta get my pen. Hang on, huh? It's my pen. Okay, I'm back in action. Look at my bed, so neat, right? It's always tip top, man. My bed. Um, so let me write this down. So today we gone through Pinterest. We will also be looking at one other candidate, and then we're going to sum it up for tonight. All right. Um, so here we go. Let me arrange the chart first. This one I'll just take a look at the chart because this is really nostalgic to me. This particular company. It was introduced to. I mean, we were playing it before the introduction, but it's very close to home right now because uh, the founder of this company actually came to Harvard Business School and taught me last year. And he was the last speaker in the last day of the class, and then came in, did a 1 hour show with us. And let's take a look at the stock price of this great company. All right, here we go. And I want to be very, very sensitive about the time exposure of this stock. And let's check this out. We are taking a look right now at Moderna, and it has dropped to a very, very important line right now today. All right, very, very important line. And this important line is what we call the 150 line. Yes, breach it, and you probably can get it like right now is 150.49 post market trading hours. At the closing bell, it closed exactly at 150. Now, at most from 150, it dropped to 125. All right, because 125, you can see right there is the bottom. So I take 125 divided by 150. That's like only like 17% drop on the stock price, all right? And then if I zoom out, and we always go to the bottom left pre-pandemic 2020, and we kind of stretch it out 2020, 2021, right over here. Okay. So it's done well. It's done well to a point that the moment you drop to this level, 175, 125, that kind of range, this is what will happen. It cannot stay at the level for a long time, right? So we are officially in the middle of this box right now, which is the 125 to 175 box. Right, we are right smack in the middle, 150. Okay. So I told you, you ding dong, ding dong, ding dong within this box, and these are the kind of stocks I'm hunting all night long. All right. The moment it enters the red box, there's only one chance for it to go up unless there's something fraudulent about the company, and then the stock price will break below this red box I just drawn in front of you. Of course, we are very much driven by insider trading, and we know they got a very, very healthy pipeline of drugs coming out. Okay, so that is another company we are looking at right now, and today it has touched a very important price point, 150. Are we going to play stocks? Are we going to play options? Again, this is only reserved for those who are part of our Don't Stop Believing trade notification. Okay. So we covered quite a number of stuff. We covered BBBY, we covered Pinterest, we covered Moderna. All right. And I hope you guys are really learning something from me. And maybe I should do some check on this. Are you learning? Did you learn something today? Wow, better rephrase. Did you learn something today? All right, put out the chat. And if you learned something today, please let me know. And I post a question right there, and I hope to get your reply, right? So let me eat some more chocolate. I'm not too sure tomorrow I got a sore throat or not. Woohoo! Here we go. Mm. Wow. You guys are learning. That's good. And Bakwat came in late, is it? It's okay. You can always watch the recorded video. Don't worry, as long as you don't miss the video. I'm more concerned about you guys missing the video, okay? Because by the time I return back to Singapore and we do our next cozy monthly live trading, then you're going to miss really, really a lot. So at the pace that I'm working right now, whole morning, afternoon classes, and then at night I start my trading, and then morning I wake up about 5 a.m. to read my classes, my case studies again, and kind of used to this routine already. So if I can do it, I'm sure you guys can also trade. Okay. So thank you very much for your comments, and so go and chase these three dots I given you tonight. All right. Don't miss out. It's really really important. These are. I mean, I'll give a longer lecture on this when I return back to Singapore about catching those that touch an important price line. Okay, really, there's a whole bunch of them. I'm just so limited by the hardware tools around me. I need to see multiple screens at the same time, and then work on the data. All right, so not to worry. Day by day, we go through. These are already very very great stocks, and you're going to learn so much from the crash of a triple BY. All right. Thank you so much for joining me here again today. And make sure I can press on, finish this weekend. A lot of readings again to do, and I think I'm getting back my momentum on this, catching up on sleep and all that. So thank you, and may God bless you. Please join us again tomorrow. All right. For those of you who have not subscribed to our Don't Stop Believing trade notification, this is what you can do. Let me just bring this out. So here we go. You can subscribe right over here by kind of scanning on the QR code right there. Hey, not bad. I can point at it right. Okay, right there. And you can also visit us at spi.ke/help. That is the website address, all right? And from there onwards, once you're part of that, you're going to receive our WhatsApp notification to you. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you so much for joining me. Have a great day. May God bless you. Goodbye, everybody.